Bend your knees a little. Ready? Feet apart. Push. Push. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready? Let's go this way. Ready? 1, 2. Bend your... No. Knees apart. Come on. 1, 2. Bend them slightly. Ready? Push. Okay, backwards. Ready? Ready? Put your feet flat. You're gonna keep your feet flat.
What's that? Anastasia.
Ready? Let's go skating again. Ready? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Look at Daddy. Say bow. Take a bow. Very good. Take a bow again. Give everyone a kiss. Go mwah. With the other hand, give everyone a kiss. Go mwah.